In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an invoice in Wave. To get started, head over to your Wave dashboard. Once you are there, click on the Sales and Payments option in the left-hand menu. This will expand a few additional options, and from there, click on Invoices. You will then be taken to the Invoices page, where you can view all previously created invoices, whether paid, unpaid, or still in draft form. To create a new invoice, click on the Create an Invoice button located in the upper right-hand side of your screen. Before creating an invoice, it is advisable to ensure that your customers, products or services, and taxes are already set up in your Wave account. If these are not yet configured, you can watch our separate videos on setting up customers, items, and taxes. On the invoice page, the first step is to add the customer to whom you wish to send the invoice. Click on Add a Customer. If you have already added customers in your Wave account, they will appear in a list here. Otherwise, you can click Create a New Customer and enter all relevant information. Once you select a customer, their details will automatically populate the invoice. Next, you can enter the invoice number. If this is not your first invoice, you can continue your numbering sequence. After that, set the invoice date, which is typically today, and select a payment due date according to your business terms, whether that's the same day, 1 week, or 1 month from today. The next step is to add the item or service for which you are invoicing. Click on the Item field, and you will see any products or services already set up in your account. If you need to create a new item, you can enter its name, description, quantity, price, and applicable tax. You can also add multiple items if necessary. If desired, you can apply a discount either as a fixed amount or a percentage of the total. You can also select a different currency if required. Once all details are entered, Wave will calculate the total amount due. After completing the invoice, scroll to the bottom and click Save and Continue. If the invoice is finalized, click Approve Draft to mark it as complete. You can then send the invoice. If you have Wave's premium plan, you can send it directly through the platform. Otherwise, you can copy the invoice link and share it with your customer or download the PDF version and send it manually. Additionally, for your records, you can click Mark as Sent to indicate that the invoice has been delivered to the customer. Going forward, all invoices will remain listed on the Invoices page, making it easy to track their status. This is how you can efficiently create and manage invoices in Wave.